Logan from Canada is asking Sham, whenever I have popular events, people make reservations and they don't show up. So at the end, I end up saying no to a lot of business and I end up losing because those people never showed up. What can I do? And we're going to address that in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello, everybody. My name is Sham, running the community as a responsible restaurant owner. Since 2008, I've been opening and running restaurants out of the Silicon Valley, California. And toward the end of 2017, I said, you know what? I'm going to reach out to the guys in the trenches, current and future restaurant entrepreneurs, and see how we can help each other. Well, thank you so much for reaching out, Logan. This is what I have been doing. It has happened to me a couple of Valentine's nights, and it did hurt. You know, people were calling, they wanted to come in, and I said no, well, because the restaurant was packed and people end up not showing up. So what I start recommending doing now is that I will collect money ahead of time. $40, $50, whatever you believe is needed in order to ensure that people do show up. And the sooner you start this promotion, the magic 3 months is when I start recommending to do your promotions. You know, just get it, and when they come in, whatever they order for your servers, just let them automatically deduct $40 from their total bill, so it makes it easier for you. So that was my answer to that question, Logan. To your success, thank you so much for reaching out. Please do comment, please do subscribe. They always put goodies on the comment section, so please do check it out. And until we meet again, remember, the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.